A strong explosion has shaken the Caspian Sea area where Azerbaijan has extensive offshore oil and gas fields. The cause of the blast, which caused a column of fire to rise into the sky late on Sunday, was not immediately determined, but the state oil company Socar said preliminary information indicated it was a mud volcano. Socar said none of its platforms were damaged in the explosion. The Caspian Sea has a high concentration of mud volcanoes, which spew both mud and flammable gas. Socar spokesman Ibrahim Ahmadov was quoted by the Azerbaijani news agency APA as saying the blast took place about 10 kilometers, 6 miles, from the humid gas field, which is 45 miles, 75 kilometers, off the coast of the capital, Baku. Mark Tingay, a mud volcano expert and adjunct associate professor at Australia's University of Adelaide, said the explosion certainly could be a mud volcano and that the location fits roughly with a mud volcano called Makarov Bank, which exploded in 1958, releasing a column of flame 500 to 600 meters high and 150 meters wide. The country has hundreds of mud volcanoes, a quarter of which are known to erupt violently, said Tingay. Scientists are uncertain as to what causes mud volcanoes to ignite, but the most likely theory is that the boulders and rocks propelled upwards during an explosion can knock against each other, causing a spark that lights gases. Azerbaijan is known as the land of fire because of its subterranean oil and natural gas reserves. The explorer Marco Polo wrote about the fires, caused by the burning gas, in the 13th century. Thanks for tuning in and watching the video. Please like, share and subscribe to get latest updates as it happens.